Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup 101. In today's one, we are going to learn how to apply your eyeshadows in 5 different ways. So without any further delay, let's go. I'm starting out with my favorite and most used hack with an eyeshadow. I simply use this brown shade to fill in my brows. I don't have to carry an additional product and I love the natural finish. Make sure you pick a shade closest to your natural brow shade. I am a big contouring fan, but I hate carrying around a lot of products in my bag. So I am using this brown eyeshadow to subtly add contour details to my cheeks, nose and jawline. This blends way faster than a cream contour and is perfect for a quick on-the-go fix. While we're at it, this peach shade looks so good as a blush. Why go searching for a blush shade each time I need something new when the eyeshadow does the job as well? Shimmer shadows are my favorite for highlighting my face. It helps me transform my day look into a night glam look in no time. All I need to do is apply to the high points of my face and done. And while at it, might as well dab some shimmer eyeshadow on the lips. It makes them look shiny and plump at the same time. There you have it, a one-stop solution to amp up your look in a few minutes. So guys, that was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this Makeup 101. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, you can join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link to join is in the description box below, so do check it out. And for more such videos, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye!
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.